This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Nigerian pasta salad. This delightful dish is perfect for any occasion, offering a vibrant mix of flavors and textures. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped and ready to go. You'll need about 250 grams of your favorite pasta, along with a selection of colorful vegetables and a creamy dressing. Let's get cooking. First, cook about 250 grams of pasta, like macaroni or fusilli, until it's perfectly al dente. Drain it well and rinse with cold water to prevent sticking and stop the cooking process. This step is crucial for a firm, not mushy, salad. While the pasta cools, finely dice your fresh vegetables such as 1 large cucumber, 2 carrots, and 1 red bell pepper. Also, shred about 150 grams of cooked chicken breast, or chop 2 hard-boiled eggs. Now, let's create that delicious, creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine about 250 milliliters of good quality mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of sugar. For a little zing, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or fresh lemon juice. Season generously with a half teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk everything together until it's perfectly smooth and creamy, ready to coat our salad ingredients. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine your cooled pasta, diced vegetables, and shredded protein. Pour the creamy dressing over all the ingredients. Using a large spoon or spatula, mix everything thoroughly until every piece is beautifully coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the Nigerian pasta salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy this delightful and refreshing dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.